To prove that two triangles are similar, there are two ways. You can either show, two main ways, I suppose. You can either show that there's a constant scale factor that's being multiplied to go from one shape to the other. That's not going to help here because there are no sides labeled at all. Or you can show that the angles are the same because when you enlarge something, the angles don't change the same. So if we can show that essentially the top triangle and the bottom triangle have the same angles, then we are done. So we're trying to prove angle, angle, angle. And if you remember, this is not like you can't. This doesn't necessarily mean they are congruent. That's one of the rules, like SAS, SSS, and all that. You have to use that to prove congruency. But to prove something similar, you will prove AAA in some form. Okay, so let's start off. These two are the same. So I might write down that angle AEB equals angle CED, these blue ones. But because it's a proof, I should just give a reason why, and I would say that they're opposite or vertically opposite. Okay, good start. We've got one of the pairs of angles the same. Next one. Now we need to use the fact that they've got parallel lines. Okay, here's a Z. That's not a very good Z. I'm going to have another go at it. Here's my Z. And in fact, these two are the same. Angle ABE equals angle ECD. And the reason is that they are alternate. Okay, a technical term for Z angles, but you want to see the word alternate there. And that is basically enough because it must therefore be that these two are the same. Angle BAE equals angle EDC. Now it's either because of 180 minus the angles and you can see it, or again it's because of the alternate that you've sort of got a backwards Z going on. The angles are the same. Just write a little conclusion now. You could maybe write AAA, but I've written that. Triangle ABE, or this is a fancy way of doing it, is equivalent. No, that means congruent. Triangle ABE is similar. I wouldn't use that equivalent bit. Similar to triangle CDE.